Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2022 Ford Maverick in an XL trim. The Maverick is Ford's all-new compact pickup truck, coming standard as a two-wheel drive hybrid. However, this model has the 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with all-wheel drive capabilities. And moving around to the back, looking at the modular space for the bed of the pickup. In here you'll see these QR codes which can be scanned to give you some ideas of what you can do with the space available here, and does also have the 4K tow package, giving you some greater towing capability. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have comfortable seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to provide you with more cargo room and reveal some deep storage bins underneath, which also have the QR code here for some custom stuff you can do with the space. And you have a 12-volt power outlet there in the middle. Looking into the front, you have power windows and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your My View with a digital speedometer, your now playing, phone controls, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your trip information. Moving on to the left, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and then moving further to the left here, you have your lighting controls, of course, and then your trailer brake controller as part of the 4K tow package. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and above that you have a little bin there, and to the side you have a little bin. And moving down, you have your media controls as well as your hazards. Moving down further, you have your climate controls with automatic climate. And then below that, you have a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power or charge. And you have this little tray area here where you can put your phone or something else. Then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. 2 cup holders, parking brake, traction control shutoff, brake hold, auto start stop shutoff, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and sport mode. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have 2 little bins here and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious for all of your stuff, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.